This is my friend Ted Berner. He joined a neighborhood group and said, I've got a can of spray paint and I'm looking to test out my skills. Anyone know of a house I can use as a blank canvas for my art? Then people started responding, not sure what you're asking. Looking for a house to spray paint on. What are you looking to do? A scenery? My specialty is bubble letters, but I can give scenery a try. Then Ted started tagging random members of the neighborhood group to get their attention. And someone responded, why tag me? Sure, what's your address? I'll be over in a bit to tag. I asked why you tag me, not an invitation? What is this about? It makes no sense. Why are you tagging all kinds of people in a post? You asked me to tag your house and I'm accepting your offer. Never mind. I can't deal with stupid today. Do you want that in bubble text? Actually, I, as well as many others you tagged, are working and our phones are blowing up with your petty BS. Could you please have some respect not to tag people you don't personally know on Facebook, as we are not sitting home waiting for the next wise ass to come up with some BS. It's going to be pretty hard to fit all of that on your house, but I'll give it my best. This is my friend Evelyn. She likes to join homeowners association groups for neighborhoods that she doesn't live in. In one of the groups, someone posted that they heard gunshots and they were hoping it was someone killing the pesky skunk that the neighborhood has. So Evelyn posted, I was the one who shot the skunk. And someone named Bill Buford said, what street? Now Evelyn read that there was a street called Buck Run in that neighborhood, so she said, hit him with a buckshot on Buck Run. Were you interested in buying the meat? He said, no thanks, just hoping it was the one at my house. I can get the one at your house too for a price, just say a number and it will be done. I'll get him, but thanks. No, don't worry about it. I'll head over in a bit, just need to finish watching Wheel of Fortune. Haven't seen or smelled him since I got back from hunting. They like to go rogue when they know we're onto them. It could be his final move before they enter the home. I'll head over shortly. Hey, are you home? Sleeping. How are you typing then? It's not here tonight. Oh, it's always there tonight. Do you want me to leave it on your doorstep so you can have it stuffed? I'll leave the meat on your porch.